Determine whether the bicycle handlebar can install the extender bar. The extender bar can be installed on most of common bicycle handlebars like drop bars, flat bars, riser bars, Bullhorn Bars, cruiser bars, butterfly, touring bars, BMX bars, Moustache Bars. The point is that the middle of the handlebar where matching the stem is round tube. Measure the diameter of the tube in the middle of the handlebar. If the diameter is about 31.8 mm, washer is not necessary. Make sure that the extender bar bracket is in the correct position. Insert the round shaft of the small part into the semicircular hole of the big part. Install a screw and tighten it. Loosen the screw here and insert the round tube. Use a hexagon wrench to tighten the screws. Measure the diameter of the handlebar tube. Please make sure that the tube at the installation location is straight. Choose the matching aluminum washer according to the diameter. Place the washers. In the same manner, install the extender bar bracket. Install a screw and tighten it. If the extender bar is loose after installation, please unscrew the screws first and remove the product. At this time, we can use electrical tape. In order to increase the fun of DIY, we didn't provide this electrical tape. Wrap electrical tape around the handlebar. Put in the washer again and lock the extender bar bracket. In the same way, install another extender bar bracket. Insert the round tube and lock it. Thank God it's finished now. Thanks for watching. Welcome to leave a message, like, or forward this video.